Hey, good morning everybody. It's Captain Drew Cavanaugh of Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters, and Mosquito Lagoon Sight Fishing Charters located here at Ponce Inlet, Smyrna Beach, not too far from Cocoa Beach, Daytona, Orlando, all that good stuff. We're in mid-April. Matter of fact, today is the beautiful tax day, April 15th, and we're out a few miles off Ponce Inlet hitting these artificial reefs and wrecks. It's my day off. Now, I just wanted to give a fishing forecast update for what should be going on over the next, 45, 60, 90 days. We're about a month away from the start of tarpon season. They usually start to show up around May. Just depends on, the cold temperatures, the bait migration, all that kind of good stuff. But, man, summer's on our doorstep right now. It's just a few more months away. We're so close to it. Today I'm just out here hitting the artificial reefs and wrecks. I've probably caught 20 snappers, lane snappers, vermilion snappers, one small red snapper I let go, and just some beautiful days. On my way back in today, the water temperature is right at 70 degrees. So man, I'm gonna hit the beach and look for cobia. The rumor was yesterday that they were everywhere out here. So when the sun comes up a little bit, I'll start to head back in. We'll go look for cobia. But man, the fishing forecast over the next several weeks, on days when we get these west winds, you can come out here 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 miles offshore at times, and the reef fishing is non-stop. It's ideal for 1 or 2 people, sometimes 3 or 4. It just depends on your party, your group, your size, if it's kids or not. So just when you call me, just go over all that. Like I said, if you want to get into a tarpon, book now, because man, June, July, and August is booked crazy silly. Book way in advance, don't wait too long. And our tarpon season goes up through the first cold front. So as long as it doesn't get cold, we were catching them in December last year. But don't think December's great. It can change. You just never know until December gets here. But other than that, that's the gist of it. We got some great fishing coming up. Redfish, trout, black drum, snook, all that's year-round. Tarpon's coming up in May, last all summer long. And if you want to book a charter, give me a call, 352-223-7897, or you can visit my website also at floridainshoreFishingCharters.com. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.